Do you squat? I believe you do. I'm gonna give you 10 reasons why you are squatting, and this is pretty good for your health. This is very good for your libido. This is very good for your entire muscles building. All right, stand by. If this is your first time, remember to subscribe. Guys, before I let you go, I have a little bonus for you. Did you know if you were a runner, a squat makes you run faster because your legs will be more flexible, will be stronger, and therefore you will have, you can climb mountain easier. Did you know if you squat, your libido will skyrocket and your wife will be happy because you know why? Did you know that more balance and better posture? Keep on watching.